Hi, I'm Ben. I'm in the display garden today, and today we're going to show you how to plant daylilies. So we have 3 daylilies here. We dig our daylilies freshly each week for each week's shipments. So we have this one here that was dug on Saturday. It's going out today, which is a Monday. And then we have these that were dug 2 lots ago, so 3 weeks ago, and they've been out of the ground since. And you can see daylilies are a little more sensitive to being left out of the ground. You can see a little browning on the foliage, and the roots are kind of dried a little bit, but these are still perfectly healthy and will grow just fine. You need well-drained soil. You need a spot in the yard that's going to have at least 5 hours of direct sunlight. Aged compost is always a good thing to mix in. You just dig the hole and just kind of plop it in like that. And you can spread the dirt around. You can kind of see the crown there of the plant. You just want the soil right up to the top there. You can kind of tell because you have on the plant where it starts to turn green. You see the green foliage and then the white and then the roots there. So that kind of gives you a visual clue of how deep they want to go. So this is a bed that we planted last summer. You can kind of see the spacing on these. You generally want to go 15 to 18 inches apart. Daylilies are pretty heavy feeders, so the times you want to fertilize daylilies would be in the spring at the first signs of new growth. Whenever you're planting new daylilies into the garden, digging and dividing daylilies, and then also daylilies in containers are going to take more fertilizer than ones in the garden. One of the best ways you can tell when the ones in containers need new fertilizer is the leaves, kind of like here, will kind of start to yellow just a little bit in the container. That's always a sign that you should apply your fertilizer. So we have our daylily fertilizer, 10-10-10. So well-balanced, slow release fertilizer, and just sprinkle it around like so, and then water it in. So just general care for daylilies once you have them planted. Watering, you want to give them generally like a deep watering once a week or so in the summer. They like water. In pots, it's going to be more. You just kind of don't want the soil to completely dry out. Just kind of keep them moist. Deep watering, like I said, is better in the garden. Mulch is another issue with daylilies. You can apply mulch at time of planting. It'll help retain moisture in the soil. It'll help control weeds. You can also mulch over the winter if you like to get a head start on suppressing weeds. I'm standing in the daylily bed, as you can see. These were planted last June, and they were, clumps that look something like this. And so you can see how quickly daylilies grow. A lot of these are now more than 5 fan divisions in less than a year.